take a look at this. We have two e part, but I'm looking at the second one. So second e part, we have even part of x of n. We have to draw the even part of x of n. So when we are dealing with even and odd, we have to remember an equation. Like I put in a new page. So here I'm doing the e part, and that one is even part of x of n. X of n. Okay. For the even and odd, we have equation. If it's an even function, we can define it by this x of n plus x of minus n divided by 2. And if it's odd, x of n, x naught of n, and then x of n minus x of minus n divided by 2. This is for the odd function. Okay, but in this case, we just need the even function. So I get rid of this. Okay, so here we need the x of n, and from the question, from the piecewise function, I already did all the previous parts in my previous videos. The first video I derived this function, this graph from this piecewise function, that is this graph right here. So that's our x of n. I copy this one, bring it here. We have the x of n, and x of minus n is nothing but, if you flip this one in the x-axis, that's going to be the x of minus n. So I can draw the x of minus n. But before that, let's make this graph a little bit smaller. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the x of minus n. X of minus n is nothing but whatever the positive is going to be negative, whatever the negative is going to be positive. So here, if you have positive for 0.5 height, that's going to be negative for 0.5 height. If you have negative 1, height is 1, that's going to be at positive 1 and height 1. So it's flipped in the x-axis. So let's draw that one. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And here this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the height we are interested in is 0.5 and 1. Those are the height that exists. So 0.5. And here if we flip this one, whatever the 4 appear here is going to be at negative 4. So here the height of 4 and 3 is 0.5. So negative 4 and 3 is going to be 0.5 right here. And followed by that other 4 are 1. So here these 4s are 1. And now you can see this is a graph that is flipped in the x-axis. Actually flipped in the y-axis, you can say. This is y-axis and flipped in the y-axis. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to add both of them and divide that one by 2. So we can, if you draw the graph here, that will be more illustrative. I'll put the yellow color for graph. Okay. So this is our n and this is our x. Now what you're interested in is x e of n. You can put the whole equation, but you can also just say x e of n. But you have to just know that x e of n mean x of n plus x of minus n divided by 2. Okay. So here, if you look let's look at the points. Here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just look at the points there are something exists. You don't have to worry about other things because others are just 0. So at negative 4 we have 0.5. Add with this, here we have nothing, so which means 0. 0.5 plus 0 divided by 2, which will make it 0.25 here. So we can say 0.25 or 1 over 4 also. Okay, 1 over 4, 1 over uh, okay, based on what we are getting, let's put the points after that. So here for the -4 we are getting 1 over 4 height. That's the only thing we are worried about for now. So the height here is 1 over 4, and -3 nothing exists. Again same thing, 0.5 plus 0 divided by 2, which is 0.25. And then -2 nothing exists here, but this is 1 divided by 2, 0.5. So we need the 0.5 for this. I put the 1 over 2 here. Okay, and let's look at the -1. At -1 we have height of 1. Here also height of 1. 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 2, that is going to be 1 again. So here this height is going to be 1 right here. So let's put a 1 here. And at 0 here we have 1, 1, 2, 2 divided by 1, then this is going to be 1 as well. And at 1 we have a 1 and a 1, 2, 2 divided by 2, that's 1 again. And at 2 we have a 1, and that one this is 0, so 0 plus 1, 1, 1 divided by 2, 0.5 here. And at 3 we have 0 here, and here we have 0.5, which means 0 plus 0.5 divided by 2, 0.25. This is going to be 0.25 here, and this is 4, that is 4, 0.5 plus 0 divided by 2, that is 0.25 again. So this is the final graph we are going to end up having. This is our even function. Okay, and even functions you can actually verify by looking at symmetry. Even functions are symmetry, and odd functions are not symmetry. So this is symmetrical, so you can conclude, like you can confirm that this is how the graph gonna look like. Okay, and that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.